It is finally summer and I could not be more excited. But with the summer months in the ER, we see burn injuries skyrocket. And that's everything from sunburns to 4th of July fireworks. We are definitely working around the clock. Barbecues and cookouts, picnics, we see a lot of burns coming from those. You name it, those summer months are serious burn injuries coming in all the time. I just want to remind you guys of a few things this summer to have like burns items in your first aid kit, have a fire extinguisher if you have a fire, cool water, things like that. Just general safety stuff. It'll go a long way and pay dividends in the long run and might even save you a trip to the ER altogether. If you do want some additional information and some training on burn treatment, you can simply scan the QR code on one of our burn med packs and get free training on some burn injuries. Burn injuries are very complicated, you guys, from 1st degree to 3rd degree burns and what percentage of the body and where on the body is burned. I don't have enough time in the day to teach you guys every little thing about burns, but I'll leave you with this. If you have any doubt whatsoever, if you see major blistering, serious charring, or you're simply just not sure, go to the ER, make sure you or that person is okay, and get checked out if you have any doubt whatsoever. Stay safe this summer, and we'll see you at the barbecue.